Hi guys, Dr. Greg here with Vibrant Life Direct Care in Mustang, Oklahoma. Don't mind the mustache, it's just kind of a funny experiment that I've been doing. But I wanted to talk to you today about IV ozone therapy. If you follow us at all on Facebook or other platforms, you probably know that we introduced this therapy in our clinic several months ago, and I've just been super excited about the results that we've been seeing. And so I wanted to talk to you a little bit more about that because there are still a lot of people who just don't know that much about it and don't even know that we offer it. I was first exposed to ozone therapy at the beginning of the year when a family member of mine was pretty sick with COVID. And we knew somebody who did this IV ozone therapy, even though I didn't know a lot about it. And he talked me into doing a treatment on this individual, and we did, and the results were astounding. They were almost immediate, and it was just hard to deny the results sitting right in front of them. And so at that time, I started doing my own research on it and realized that this therapy has actually been around for over 100 years, and it's practiced in many other countries. And the reason you don't see it much here is, of course, everything is ran by Big Pharma, and Big Pharma doesn't make money on things like this, so it's just kind of swept under the rug. Anyways, months went by, and then I was able to train with one of the world-renowned ozone experts, Dr. Frank Schallenberger. So I went to his training, and we implemented this IV ozone therapy in our clinic after that. And so how ozone works, it's a little bit complicated physiologically, but what I tell people in summary is it increases oxygen utilization at the cellular level. And it streamlines the mitochondria producing ATP. And by streamlining this process, it therefore reduces free radicals at the cellular level. And as you probably know, if you reduce free radicals, you're also going to reduce inflammation. The other thing it does, it enhances the immune system by stimulating cytokines. Cytokines are immune messengers that just kind of enhance the immune system. And so because of the way it works on the cellular level, it is indicated for almost any disease or just an anti-aging strategy. So we've been using a lot and already seeing results for autoimmune disease, acute and chronic pain. It can be used for cardiovascular disease. One of the most astounding things that we've seen is its effects on COVID, not only acutely, but these long haul COVID, as we call it, where people have symptoms of COVID weeks or months later with brain fog, fatigue, joint pain, things like that. So how this process works is we draw your blood and into a bag, and then we inject the ozone into the bag, and we mix that. Now you have ozonated blood, and then we run the blood back into you. The whole process takes 30 to 40 minutes, and people begin to see results usually the following day. Depending on what we are treating, you may need multiple treatments. Again, it just depends. So if you are interested in this therapy, you can go to our website at vibrantlifedc.com. There's a little bit of information on there. There's a couple of scientific articles, and I will also be interviewing Dr. Frank Schallenberger on my podcast in the near future, and so you can learn more about it there. So call the office, come in, ask more questions about it, and see if it may be right for you. So see you guys later.